Hey guys, sorry, the video got cut off at the end right there. It didn't meant to, but from certain views, it did got cut off. So this is gonna be a sequel to part two, scene two. I'm gonna be naming the part two of No Limits, part two, scene one, and this is gonna be part two, scene two. So yeah, as I was continuing with my gorgeous video here. I have another claim your free crate. Don't give me some bullshit ass shit. Tread. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck who? Fuck you. Fuck who? Fuck you. Well, anyways, as we continue with chapter 2, we're gonna be completing it, of course, since we are the best. Best. Let's quote it best. So yeah, um, it is a nitro one, so I do like nitros way too much. Yeah. Okay. God damn it. Alright. Shit. That was bad. Come on now. Yeah, I can do it. Yep, I can definitely do it. This is definitely gonna be in for a treat. Oh. Yeah, you see it, speak it, and you tell it. I am the best at this. I don't care. Pixel camo. Alright. 110. A clutch pad. Hey guys, if you can hear me, I really love you guys. You've been giving me support, especially those for the first subscriber. Subscribe to me. I know its name. Wishesha Sharma. Shout out to you, man. I mean, woman or man. Sounds like woman. Shout out to you for doing this to me. Thank you. Well, to this video. I don't know. Oh, Porsche, you need to upgrade, bitch. You need to upgrade. So to upgrade, need all the 10 blueprints. So car showroom. At the car showroom, I'm gonna be getting you through all my cars and what I need to buy next. So first, we have the Ford Fiesta ST, which I haven't really upgraded. It looks like shit. And then after that, we have our Toyota 86, which I actually upgraded a little bit, as you can see. See the side, as you can see the side skirts. Yeah, that's a little bit. Then the rear scoop. Then we have our awesome looking ass car, which I myself think that this car is the best looking one out of all my cars. As you can see, it has the best look out of what I think. And then we have the Golf GTI. The Volkswagen Golf GTI. Then we have the BMW M3 Coupe 1999 back. It looks quite old fashioned to me, I don't know why. And then we have the Mazda RX FD, RX 7 FD, be more precise. No. Then we have our beautiful Subaru Impreza. This red and white combination. Then we have our Porsche they bought in the last recording that we got, not bought. Also the Fiesta we also got. This we have to buy, but it doesn't look as cool as all the other cars. Now this is my most overrated PR. This is the Dodge Challenger SRT 8. I am going to be ending it quite soon just by showcasing you all the cars. See right here? I hate this car. But this is the one that I want next. Ford Mustang GT. Ford Mustang GT. And then we have a Porsche 911 991 Carrera. And we have a beautiful BMW M4 with the quite gold. Then we have a Ferrari F40. Looks great. And then we have our Mercedes Benz. Looks great too. Nissan GTR. Yo guys, I really want this car. It's fucking awesome. Then we have our SRT Viper GTS. We're coming out to our last. This is the Ferrari 458 Italia. Then we have a McLaren 650S, which has a spoiler that pops up, probably, you know. We have Lamborghini Aventador. We have our Pagani Huayra at this bitch. Then we have our Kyunga CCX, and then this is the most power PR that in the game default. Then we have a LaFerrari LaFerrari. Looks great. So guys, I'm gonna be ending it off here. Hope you have an awesome, majestic day, and peace out.